Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini Oil, Euro, and Unusual Option Activity Report for June 28th, 2012. Let's first start talking about the minis, and I was talking about yesterday how I thought it would be a good opportunity to sell the close yesterday, which would have been a sale about 13.25 half, have a stop above Friday's high, which was 13.31 half, risking 8 points to the upside to take maybe 16 points to the downside. I thought we'd retest down to this 13.05, 13.06 area, and today we hit the low of 13.0675. At the end of the day, we did get a rally, and we only ended up down a couple points. So on the daily chart, I continue to think that we're stuck in this range, and we might be stuck in this range for a while. I would think around this 1280 to 1355 area. We've been stuck in this range since about May 11th. I think we continue to stay in this range. I position myself accordingly in the SPY. I'm short condors under this level and above this level, but I think we're stuck in a range for a little while. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. So this morning we opened up at 1317. 80% of the time we get the high or low within the first hour. Today that did not come true. So 1 day a week we do not get it. It would be the other 4 days we do. Overlapping bars. We broke out to the downside. Looked like we had a bunch of buyers coming to the market at 1308. We did get under that 1308 level. We sold off to 130675. And some news must have come out late in the day around this 230 area where we just bounced a lot higher. We did technically have a buy signal here. Not enough time left in the day for me to be buying this on the 5-minute. We did hit the high at 1324.25. So about a 18-point range today, which is a little bit higher than we've seen this week. This week we've seen about 12 to 15-point ranges in the minis. And let's look at the euro. I continue to be short the euro. I have a position I have in the euro. It goes up, I short more. It goes down, I make money. And my average short in the euro is around 126 half. So let's look at oil first. In oil, I was talking about selling the close yesterday, just like I was talking about selling the close in the minis. I did not take either of these trades, but I was looking to get short around this 80 half level, and putting a stop around 81 half. What is resistance becomes support, and support becomes resistance. So I thought a lot of sellers would be coming to the market if we did rally, risking $1 to the upside to make 250 to the downside. And today we hit 77.28 as a low. So today that would have been a good trade in oil if I took it and I traded it on the daily chart. However, do not trade oil on the daily chart. This morning, we saw oil open up this morning at 79.75. Got to this $80 level, and then it sold off really hard. We got the low of the day at 215, down to 77.50. We did not have any trades today in the cloud. I did not take any trades in oil today. Now let's go to the euro. So in the euro, we opened up this morning 124.44, and when I was up this morning, I actually saw a trade down about 124.10 in the Globex session. A lot of overlapping bars, about a 30 pip range in the euro today. Not that much exciting. I still think that in the euro we do test lower. I think we're going to test down to this 122.80 level. And I think we're going to go under that. I think we're going to get to about this 120 level, and I will hold a partial position to parity, so I can say I was shorter till parity. A couple unusual options activity trades I want to talk about. LYV, Live Nations. Paper bought 10,000 of the AUG 10 calls for 40 cents, and I thought this was very interesting because the stock has not seen $10 since February, so I don't know why they're buying these calls. It might be against a short stock position. This is nothing I want to play, but I thought it was interesting and something that will be on my radar for the next couple of days because the stock has not seen 10 since August. Another one, the healthcare mandate came out today. Customer bought well points, July 70 calls, 10,000 of these for 49 cents when the stock was trading 66.15. The stock did trade up to 70 today, so this could be a lottery ticket. Someone thinking that these healthcare stocks are sold off a little too hard and this might pop back. If you see the high of the day was 71.34, so risking 49 cents, maybe get a triple on this is what they were thinking. We saw more activity today in Constellation Brands. I will definitely play this one for earnings on June 29th, June 29th. But nothing yet. I'm not going to play it just yet. We saw more put activity today in Constellation Brands. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. That is your unusual option activity, S&P, oil, and euro update. If you guys want a free trial to the live trading room, email sales@KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Earnings we're looking at overnight is Nike lower, RIM lower, finish line lower, TIEX lower as well. Have a great night.